Now see, we basically understood how to design a compound gate from a regular function, yes or no? Now I want you to understand, when you observed your rise and fall time of your inverter, were they equal? Rise time was typically more than fall time always. Yes, there is a reason behind that. There is a reason behind that. Let me explain. Your I is proportional to mu cox w by L, yes or no? I is proportional. Mu is, you know what is mu, anybody? Mu is mobility, which is a function of phi, which is your Fermi level. Okay, which is a function of phi, Fermi level. I'm not expecting you all to get into Fermi level equations. It's not, needed. But typically, the mobility of a hole, okay, is lesser than the mobility of an electron. So mu p is less than mu n. Hence ip is less than in. Hence rp is greater than rn. I'm making a small adjustment. RCHP is greater than RCHN. RCH क्या मालूम है? Channel resistance. RCHP is greater than RCHN. The kind of a benchmark that they say, mu p is roughly half mu n, or mobility of an electron is twice the mobility of a hole. So can I say RCHP is 2 RCHN? Correct, yes or no? Everybody followed this point? Correct? RCHP is roughly twice RCHN. Now, if I have my inverter, when this transistor is on, it will have its channel resistance, yes or no? Correct? RCHP, RCHN, correct, yes or no? Do you agree there will be a C load? The gate of the next transistor, na? The gate of the next logic gate. Barabar, na? Now, can I say my T rise is equal to RCHP times C load, or is majorly proportional to? Because you have some parasitics also in between. I'm not discussing parasitics now. But major component resistance का कौन सा है? Channel resistance, yes or no? Major load capacitance कौन सा है? Load capacitance, yes or no? Those are the major contributors. Agreed? Now, similarly, your T fall is proportional to RCHN times C load. Can I say my T rise is 2 times RCHP times C load? 2 times RCHN times C load? Correct, yes or no? ये समझ में आया मैंने क्या किया? Everybody understood what I just did? Basically, all I did is RCHP is 2 RCHN, correct? So, now do you agree that your T rise is roughly twice your T fall? If you check your values, जो तुम लोग का आया रहेगा roughly 1.8 times या 2 times रहेगा. Check your notebook. Those values will be roughly in that range. You all had noted, na? For 250 femtofarad, 500 femtofarad, वो डेटा नोट किया था ना? देखना है ना? तो टेबल में नोट किया रहेगा तुम लोगों ने. है roughly twice, 1.8 times. Yes or no? Correct. It's roughly in 1.7 to 1.8 times range. Yes or no? Correct. Yes or no? Now the question is, do you want such a gate whose rise time is different but fall time is different? It's asymmetric, ना? मतलब यहां से बोरीवली जाने को आधा घंटा लगता है, वापस आने को 2 घंटा लगता है. Would you like to go by such a train? Equal timing, right? Roughly, at least within 10% of each other. Correct? So, We need to size the gate so that it becomes equal rise and fall, yes or no? Now, my fall is RCHN times C load, but my rise is 2 RCHN. Means I have to double the width of my PMOS so that my rise time will fall, yes or no? My rise time will reduce, yes or no? Everybody understood this statement? 110%? That because this is important, you need to create a symmetric gate which has equal rise, equal fall. So there, this fellow RCHP is double of this guy. Now to reduce his resistance, his width has to go up, yes or no? So I have to do twice the width. Hence this will come down by 2. Correct? Guys, everybody following, yes or no? Huh? Which part? Okay. Let's, yes. So RC, what is your worst case fall? RCHN C load. Your worst case rise is RCHP times C load, which is 2 RCHN C load. Correct? Now, it is twice. Now, if I want to reduce the resistance by 2, means I'll have to double the width. So 2W. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now, in your theory books, they will say you have to, so this is called a standard size inverter, where this is 2W is your PMOS and W is your NMOS. Standard size inverter bolte hain. So let me ask you a question. Listen to my question. Is it the width of your PMOS? Listen to my question. It's a trick Viva question. Is the width of your PMOS twice minimum size or twice the size of the NMOS? Twice the size of the NMOS. Because let's say you want one particular fall time. One particular fall time के लिए तुमने NMOS को size कर दिया. उसके respect से you will then size the PMOS. Yes or no? Remember that. It is always with respect to your NMOS. Not compulsory. Yeah? Your PMOS worst case could be less than your NMOS also. Your PMOS worst case could be less than your NMOS. Check करना. Especially तुम्हारा 3 inputs या 4 input NAND और NOR में वो case आएगा. So your homework is those 2 equations and the 3 input NAND and NOR that I gave you. Okay. For that, you have to calculate you have to do your sizing as well. You have to do your sizing. But wait, first let me finish this. Let us look at 2 input NAND. Let us look at 2 input NAND. What is your worst case rise? When one PMOS is on or when 2 PMOSes are on? If 2 PMOSes are on, what's the problem? Both these guys will go in parallel, yes or no? So it's actually will be RCHP by 2. Two resistance when they go in parallel. Resistance kam hoega na? So worst case is when one guy is on. So your TR is RCHP times C load. Correct? Yes or no? Your T fall is what? 2 RCHN. Correct? Yes or no? Because until both these guys are on, will it ever fall? No. Until, correct? Yes or no? So now tell me what will be the sizing. Correct. Do I need any sizing? नहीं समझा कैसे? Think. Apply the answer is in front of you. थोड़ा दिमाग खुजाओ अपना. What is worst case rise? RCHP times C load. Worst case fall 2 RCHN. So T rise and T fall are already equal, na? Do I need to play with it? No. If you leave the sizing the same, it will give you same worst case rise and fall. See, why am I looking at worst case? Because that's the worst case, right? Best case is good, but I need to know what's the slowest speed at which my circuit will work. Yes or no? Fast है तो अच्छा है. But you want to know the slowest, correct? You ask the maximum कितना time लगेगा? पूछता minimum कितना time लगेगा? वो अपने को खुश करने के लिए बोलेगा, right? Yes or no? You'll normally say how long will it take? What's the maximum? Remember, worst case is what you need to look at. Now, what you guys need to help me with is what is this? NOR, correct? Help me with it. कैसा होगा? Let others do. So, what is T rise? Correct, yes or no? तो कितना होना चाहिए? This is 4 RCHN. So I have to divide by 4, means I have to increase my width by 4. So this is also 4W. This is also 4. So I'll say 4WN, 4WN. Correct? So considering this is the width of your NMOS, उसका double ये. अब ये सोचो, in a 3 input NAND क्या होएगा? Now you have 3 NMOSes, so 3 RCHN, yes or no? But your PMOS is still RCHP. Means now you have to size up your NMOSes. So it's not necessary always the PMOSes are sized more than NMOSes. समझ में आया, yes or no? Another trick Viva question. Another trick Viva question that boss. Is it always necessary that the PMOSes are bigger than the NMOS? You can say safely, sir, most cases, but there are some cases here and there. Depending on the circuitry. That's the best answer. And then you give an example of a 3 input. Best 4 input NAND. Finish. 4 input NAND में तो 4 NMOS नीचे आता है ना? So you can show that calculation. See, the reason why I'm discussing such cases with you is when you guys answer like that on the Viva, it shows depth of knowledge. Simple. It shows depth of knowledge. That's all. Okay, you know, हाँ भाई इसको आता है, कुछ पढ़ के आया, समझ के आया. More importantly, पढ़ना एक बात है, समझना दूसरा बात है. Understood? Yes or no? Now, so is this clear how to do the rise and fall sizing calculation? So you have to do that for those 2 compound gates that I gave you, and your 3 input NAND, 3 input NOR, 4 input NAND, 4 input NOR. You have to tell me what is the sizing of NMOS is to PMOS or PMOS is to NMOS. Okay? What? तेरा rise time क्या है? You only help me understand. Answer is in your head. I'm only going to do inception. Basically, I'm going to extract the answer out of your head. Huh? What is it? T rise. What is your worst case rise? 2 RCHP. Correct? C load. Let's write it fresh. T rise 2 RCHP C load. T fall is what? RCHN C load. Correct? Eh? Now I have to divide this by 4. Means the W has to multiply by 4. Oh, well, answer is in your head only. Huh. Yes. Yes. So you have to say worst case. Na? Best case तो अच्छा है. How can you size equal for? Yes. Yes. See, your worst case rise and fall have to be equal. कि worst दोनों cases में worst case इतना है. Best case तो अच्छा ही है ना यार. How can you make a best case equal to your worst case? Then everything is best case. Make a system like that, I'll come work for you. You understand? It's not conceptually possible. Na? What you're asking for is make your best case equal to your worst case. Means all cases should be equal. मतलब everybody in DJ Sangvi are toppers. Not possible, na? Every class has a best case and a worst case in terms of marks. How they do in their career, different story. Interestingly, ice time, fall time clear, yes or no? वो होमवर्क करने का मतलब एक्चुअल पार्ट ऑफ होमवर्क. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. What we will do now is we will understand something called a stick diagram. तुम्हारे थियरी में है बट मैं कंसेप्चुअली समझाएगा और फिर उसको हाउ टू ड्रॉ इट आई विल शो. Step number 1, you need a schematic, yes or no? Everybody needs a schematic. So have your schematic in front of you. Let's say I'm doing a NAND. Here I will bring back one old concept called as contacts or vias or vias. Okay, everybody remembers contacts, yes or no? Huh. When you have to draw a stick diagram, first what you do is mark your nodes. Mark your nodes on your schematic. I'm just giving you some basic good practices. If you follow that practice, you will be able to draw stick diagrams like this. Fatafat. Okay, mark your nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inputs are already there, A, B. I always say first mark your PMOSes, NMOSes बाद में mark करना. First mark your PMOSes. Because in your stick diagram also draw your P region first, then you can take care of your N region. Understood, yes or no? Follow my thumb rule, you will breeze through your stick diagram. Okay, what is the first point? Mark your nodes. Second, mark your inputs on the PMOS section. Okay, then draw your lines VDD, output, ground. Yes or no? VDD, output, ground. Guys, why are we doing a stick diagram? Anybody? Why are we doing it? क्यों बनाने का 10 मार्क मिलेगा इसीलिए बना देने का, ऐसा क्या? Why are we doing stick diagram? Anybody? Why our question? Stick diagram क्यों है? Perfect. See, stick cricket मालूम है गेम है, खेला है सब लोगों ने, ऐसा ऐप है. What is that? Basically, it's a very shrinked down version of regular cricket. Means all human beings are presented in terms of sticks. These things are basically your wires in your layout. What you can do in terms of sticks, you can just fill in air, उसको थोड़ा हवा भर के. Those are your actual lines. Yes or no? It is basically a plan to make your layout. Correct? Yes or no? It is a plan to make your layout. So what is a stick diagram? It is your connection plan to make your layout. That is why we do stick diagram. It is just so that when I make my layout, it is easier for me, so that I know acha either P plus hai, either N plus hai, ye sab hai. So understood why we do stick diagram? It is my connection plan for my layout. Okay. Now, next step, draw your P plus, draw your N plus. Do you all still have exams that are scanned? मतलब तुम लोग का पेपर स्कैन होता है क्या मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में? हाँ, तुम लोग स्कैन होता है ना, तो तुम लोग एक्चुअली कलर्स यूज नहीं कर पाएगा इन योर एग्जाम. स्कैन होएगा यार, क्या कलर दिखने वाला है. सो डू इट विद डॉटेड एंड डैशेस एंड ऑल्सो मार्क द लेयर्स वेरी वेल. P प्लस ऐसे लिखने का. अंडरस्टूड, यस और नो? So I would say you do this in dashes, do the metal ones in solid lines, correct? So whatever coding you all decide. Right now I'm teaching with colors, you replace that with whatever you have to. Now please understand this. What was step number 1? Mark your nodes. Step number 2, give your PMOSes. Step number 3, draw your VDD, output, ground, P plus and N plus. Correct, yes or no? Huh? This is yahan tak followed, yes or no? Now, start with the node that you marked. Node number 1. Node number 1. Okay. So, you try and make a path that comes back to the original point. Try. होता है नहीं होता है, no problem. That starts and originates at the same point. That path is called as an Euler path. You guys are most used to call him Euler, but it's actually Euler. He was German, or I think he was European. Correct. Okay. Now, let's start off with node number 1. Node number 1 किसको connected है? VDD. Correct? Yes or no? Guys, please look at the board here. Just pay attention first. Node number 1 is connected to VDD. At the back, you're following, right? So, here, dot means connection, cross means contact. Dot means connection, मतलब short. Dot means contact. Contact मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर से किधर घुसेगा, नीचे घुसेगा या फिर ऊपर आएगा. ऊपर भी जा सकता है ना स्टेयरकेस, नीचे भी जा सकता है. यस और नो? नाउ this is connected to what? The source of a transistor. Yes or no? This is connected to the source of a transistor. Yes or no? This is this connection. Everybody is following? Yes or no? This is node number 1. Now I'm jumping over a gate. Yes or no? Follow the mouse. I'm jumping over a gate. Yes or no? I'm going to jump over a gate here. Yes or no? The minute you jump over a gate, you draw a poly straight across. See, in complementary MOS, if there is a connection going to one gate of a PMOS, that same connection is going to go to a gate of a NMOS. Correct? Yes or no? जिधर NMOS में PMOS में उसका है, उसका NMOS में भी उसका भाई बैठा है. Yes or no? Following? Correct? So, I jumped over here. I came to node number 2. Yes or no? This one here. Okay. So, node number 2. Where is node number 2 connected to output? Correct? Yes or no? Everybody following? Correct? Now, I'm making a statement. Tell me if it's true or false. This red wire is getting shorted with this blue wire. Because one is going at ground floor, the other one is going on first floor. I hope you understand that. Everybody understood this? No, you should visualize कौन से floor पे जा रहा है. This is basement, correct? Yes or no? This is first floor. This is ground floor. Understood? Yes or no? Your active is in the basement, na? Haan. Please understand, even though I've drawn this line straight across, actually I don't fabricate an active right across, na? I do it in bunches. Yes or no? This is just for my simplicity. I'm drawing it straight across. I hope you understand this. Yes or no? Another trick viva question. ये हम लोग सीधा क्यों ड्रॉ करते हैं? बोला सर फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी है. एक्चुअली हम लोग जहां n प्लस चाहिए उधर ही डालेंगे. Clear? Yes or no? Now I'm coming back up. Yes or no? यहाँ पे I'm coming back up. So I'm going to jump another gate. This fellow was what? A. This fellow was P. Jump across. What do I come back? I come back to node number 1. Yes or no? Where is node number 1 connected to? VDD. Understood? Yes or no? Same thing. Can I start the loop at 2 and come back to 2? Yes. So this connection will actually go up and these two connections will come down. That is also fine. Electrically, they are the same. You choose the loop. Understood? Yes or no? ये point समझ में आया? Everybody? Suppose now I start the loop from 2. So this connection will actually come down first. 2 is connected where? See, source and drain is governed by voltage, na? Both are equally applicable terminals, yes or no? In a transistor, both the terminals are equally applicable. इस वाले को मैं आज VDD कनेक्ट करेगा, दूसरे वाले को ग्राउंड, ऑपोजिट भी कनेक्ट कर सकता हूं ना, यस और नो? अंडरस्टूड? So you decide how you want to start the Euler path. Now that A and B are decided, so now I have to give these guys the same respect with A and B, yes or no? I have to give the same respect A and B, correct, yes or no? So let's say this side. So again, let's say this is A, this is B. If this is A and this is B, one side of A is connected to where? Terminal number 2, yes or no? Correct? Where is the other side connected? Terminal number 3. कुछ करना है उधर? नहीं. Come on the other side. Here. Correct? Yes or no? Where am I taking it to? 4. Where is 4 connected? Ground. Following? Yes or no? Everybody? Clear? हो गया स्टिक डायग्राम? If you go step by step, फटाफट खत्म होता है. Let's look at another example, slightly trickier. Your XOR gate. Slightly trickier, which is your XOR gate. First, let's draw the schematic. बोल. This one. It's called a contact. I told you ना, X is contact. Doubt है क्या? हाँ. Which one? हाँ. अरे हाँ ना यार बाबा, पॉली कौन से लेवल पे जा रहा है? Poly is going above the wafer. The diffusion is below the wafer. Will they ever short? Understood? Okay. Dhruv, did I? Okay. Now, X is just my way of marking a contact. You can call it, you can draw a circle also there for all you want. Okay. Now, let's look at the okay. Hey, sorry, my mistake. Sorry. Maybe I'm just in love with NAND gates today. Let me put it this way, you will only be able to master stick diagrams with practice. By the way, those 6 gates, उसका stick diagram भी बनाने का. Simple. So invariably you'll practice stick diagrams. Now, let's start. What was our equation? It was A bar B, AB bar. Correct? Yes or no? So first thing, what do? We mark our nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. मेरे ऑर्डरिंग में कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, तुम लोग को जैसा नंबर करना है करो. Next logical question, sir, how did you come up with those numbers? No, I did not. Just however your orientation works. Now, let's start off. What is the next step that we do? Just follow with me, guys. Observe this. This you need to understand logically, because this is, once you understand the step by step, then you can practice. What is the first step we do? We mark our VDDs, output, ground. Correct? Then P plus, N plus. All right, yes or no? Then we start off with node number 1. Node number 1 is connected where? VDD, करेक्ट। ये नोड नंबर 1 हो गया। कहां से तो चालू करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है। This is my Euler path. Here unfortunately I don't have one Euler path, I'll have to make two. बोलो क्यों? If I go from here, if I come back, I'm shorting at 5 again, yes or no? अब ये देखना है नोड नंबर 5 अपने को कितना तकलीफ देगा, अभी देने वाला है, एडवांस में बोल के रखता हूं, we'll see. But our job is to tackle it, yes or no? Remember, you'll never have that continuous connection. Always नहीं मिलेगा बड़े गेट में continuous, जैसे in the previous stick diagram, right? You saw a nice continuous sweet spot here, yes or no? Don't expect that every time. Okay, we'll see. Abhi case दिखेगा live. Okay, so what am I jumping? First one, yes or no? Who am I jumping? A bar. Correct. नोड नंबर 2. कुछ करने का है 2 पे? 2 पे कुछ करना है? नहीं ना, 2 पे कुछ नहीं करना है, डायरेक्टली आई एम जंपिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट गाय, यस और नो? दैट इज योर B. Correct. Then I come to node number 3. Node number 3. Correct. Yes or no? Back up again. One more jump. B bar. Which is your node number 4. Again jump. One more. Yes or no? Which is your A. Then comes your this node here connected to 1. Similarly, you can start off from 2 also and come back here. As I said, this connection will come here, this connection will go here, and this connection will come down here. Barabar na? Understood? Okay. Now that my A bars, and because see, when I'll do my layout, poly ऊपर से नीचे दोनों गेट पे जाएगा ना, yes or no? My A has to come to the gate of this transistor and this transistor as well. This is a transistor formed here, right? This is a transistor formed here. Gate going over active region. This is transistor formed here. This is physical connection is poly na between the two. I can't have the A bar transistor NMOS. Listen to my statement very carefully. Look here. My A bar PMOS is here. Can my A bar NMOS be here? Connection कैसा करना पड़ेगा? ऐसे लाना पड़ेगा ना? Do you think that makes sense? No. Ideally you should bring it all in the same ray. Correct? तो PMOS का एक बार जो गेट सेट हो गया, अभी उसको लेके NMOS का सेट करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? Correct? Everybody is following me? Now, because here comes the tricky part. Observe very carefully. Now I am starting at node number 2. So let's say I start this at node number 2. ये connect किया. So if I go this loop, if I go, okay, I'm so sorry. Node number 3, my mistake. Node number 3. Okay, node number 3. Oh, my mistake. This is node number 3. Okay, understood? So node number 3, I bring it down. So this fellow invariably has to be A bar. Correct? Yes or no? I jump. I come here, which is node number 5. I'm coming back again, jumping again. So this has to be B. Correct? Who's connected to 3? वो शॉर्ट हो सकता है क्योंकि वो सेम नोड है. नोड नंबर 3 एवरीवेयर कैन बी शॉर्टेड. यस और नो? ओके. नाउ होल्ड योर हॉर्सेस. शुड नॉट बी ए कनेक्शन. वो अभी वक्त बताएगा. Wait, purposely put a connection there. Wait, so good that you raised this point. Now you'll understand why there is a connection there. Wait. Now let me start the other loop. Okay, let me start the other loop. So one of these guys has to be a B bar and the other guy has to be a A. Okay, where is one side of B bar connected to? 5. Where is the other side connected to? 6. Correct? बराबर. इफ आई लीव दिस एज इट इज मैं छोड़ दूंगा, तो करंटली बी बार का एक साइड कहां पे कनेक्टेड है? 3 ना. इज दैट अ गुड थिंग और अ बैड थिंग? बैड थिंग ना. I hope you're seeing, if I let this layout be as it is, am I doing something right or wrong? Very wrong in the NMOS section. Yes or no? Correct? So, break marna padega idhar. Correct? Yes or no? Now I have to isolate the NMOSs. In this case, for example, I have shared the diffusions. Na? I have done this concept is called as diffusion sharing. I have shared the diffusions here, here, yes or no? Yahan, can I share the diffusion? No, because then it's an electrical problem, na? So I have split this. Now, where does one connection go? It goes to 5. Correct? Yes or no? Or if I start from down, can I start from down as well? I can start from 6. Correct? Yes or no? I can either take this loop or I can take it like this also. So let's say I'm starting from 6. You start wherever you want to, because both sides are open to me na. B bar ka dono side I can do. Yes or no? So I start off with 6. Correct? Everybody following me? Yes or no? Next point. Where is it connected to? I jump over B bar. Correct? I come to 5. Correct? Yes or no? Then I jump again. I come back to 6. हो गया खत्म लेआउट. 5 को कनेक्ट करना बाकी है ना. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता ना लेआउट टूल को, देख 5 उधर है, तू समझ के अपना कर देना खुद से. वैसा नहीं होता ना. You have to be responsible for all the electrical connections, yes or no? So, now the issue is, I'm going to draw something and you tell me whether it's right or wrong. This. My silence speaks a lot. अरे भाई वो दो ब्लू वायर देखना यार, शॉर्ट हो रहा है उधर. बट यू क्या लेयर? अरे मेटल वन है. बोथ आर ब्लू, मतलब शॉर्ट हो गया ना उधर. तो अच्छा है कि बुरा है? वो बुरा है. Understood the mistake that you said it's right. When I said purposely, is what I've done is a good thing or a bad thing? It's an extremely bad thing. Means I just shorted terminal number 5 and terminal number 3. Understood? Yes or no? So what is the next option? जो अगर मैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर से नहीं ला सकता तो मेरे को ऊपर सेकंड फ्लोर से लाना पड़ेगा ना. करेक्ट? यस और नो? इफ आई डोंट हैव मेटल वन अवेलेबल, मैं अंडरग्राउंड तो जा नहीं सकता, बिकॉज देयर इज ऑलरेडी n प्लस देयर. आई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट ऑन टॉप, राइट? यस और नो? Correct? So, what will I do? Listen to this very carefully, guys. First, I will put a diffusion to metal 1 contact, on top of which I will put a metal 1 to metal 2 contact. बराबर ना? metal 2 तक लाना पड़ेगा ना? Yes or no? तो डबल staircase, diffusion to metal 1 to metal 2. Correct? Same thing here. जो ऊपर से जाएगा नीचे का भी staircase बनाना पड़ेगा ना? So same thing. And then you connect it on metal 2. Now you understood why I put contact there? Understood? Yes or no? Which part? See, can I take वो shorting का problem समझ में आया? हाँ. अभी फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे मैं नहीं ले जा सकता, मेरे को सेकंड फ्लोर से लाना पड़ेगा. तो क्या बोलेगा? अभी I want to, let's say I cannot go to Prasad sir's office directly from here. I want to go through second floor. So you'll drill a staircase from here to top. Then you'll go through biomed department. ऊपर biomed है ना? ठीक है? Then go there, go to HOD, biomed HOD's office, drill a hole and come down again. Correct? So imagine this is your first contact, which is diffusion to metal 1. Metal 1 to metal 2. दो contact लगेगा ना? So whatever floor you want to go to, let's say your connection is from diffusion to diffusion via metal 2. Diffusion to diffusion via metal 2. So let's say you are in the department below and you want to go to that through the other one. So you'll make two holes, na? Two contacts. But here you're not going from first floor, you're going from basement. Basement till first floor to second floor के through वापस second floor to first floor to basement. Understood? Yes or no? That is your contact here. ये है आपका stick diagram. So wherever you have these multi loops means इधर most probably break आना 99.99% break आएगा. मेटल वन मेटल वन के ऊपर मेटल 2. यू आर गोइंग वाया मेटल 2. This is your diffusion. This is your poly. Okay. Okay. Now if I say metal 1 is running here, I break it here. Okay. This contact here is your diffusion to metal 1. Okay. अभी इसको metal 2 पे लाना है. I will deposit more silicon dioxide like this. Oxide. This contact here is your metal 1 to metal 2. ऊपर metal 2 running है. So this is your diffusion to metal 1. This is metal 1 to metal 2. When you do it one contact above the other, they are called as stacked contacts. Otherwise they are called staggered contacts. It is always preferable to do stacked contacts. कि staggered का क्या रहता है? You get border, you get turning capacitance, you get a lot of other electrical features. So you always do stacked. Number one issue, error layout में अगर आता है तो when you missed a contact. When you missed a contact. मतलब क्या ऊपर से लगता है मैंने staircase डाला है लेकिन नहीं डाला, मतलब कनेक्शन नहीं है ना? Yes or no? Number one culprit is your missing contact. Understood? Yes or no? Clear? Remember one thing, minimize the use of contacts in your circuits. मतलब जहां लगाना है वो तो लगाना ही है, but do not ऐसे हंसते हंसते metal 3 पे लाके नहीं लाने का नीचे. I'll tell you why. Every contact brings its contact resistance. Means your delay will increase. And you know delay के वजह से अभी marks का क्या effect हो सकता है. Correct? Yes or no? Everything has ripple effect until end. So, clear? Yes or no? Okay. Any questions? So, वो जो बाकी है उसका सबका stick diagram भी draw करने का. जो बोला ना सब लंबा वाला equation दिया ना उसका stick diagram. So, basically homework is those two equations, 3 input NAND, 3 input NOR, 4 input NAND, 4 input NOR. The first two equations you have to make the transistorized diagrams. 3 input NAND and NOR, you know the 4 input NAND NOR, you know the transistorized diagrams. Make their worst case rise and fall. Find out their sizing ratios and do their stick diagrams. Yes? Yeah. Yes, bolo. Yeah, make note. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Score बताओ भाई.